Hello. So now we will see the hardware part of a voltmeter. Now on Tiger board, there are eight channels, eight ADC channels, but on port A. But this unfortunately this port A is connected to LCD. You can still use by disconnecting, but for displaying the value, I need a LCD. So, but luckily LCD is configured in 4-bit mode, so which uses only 7 pin in port A, so I can still use a one free pin, one which is one pin on port A which is not connected, that is port A dot 3. So when you configure LCD and when you also enable the ADC in CodeVision AVR, it gives you error that for LCD you have configured is a output and for ADC you have configured as a input. So you can simply ignore that and it still works, and that is that our demo will prove that. So for ADC input, this third pin, uh, it is routed on this center female connector. So one and there are actually, it is a 3-pin female header. One is VCC, other is ground. So to for demo purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use any external supply, but I'll connect this preset to this voltmeter to this female header, and varying this preset value, it varies the center voltage, and from that you can, like, I can vary the input analog voltage. So here we go. Now I'll also connect LCD serial port, and now I'll power. Now the board is on. Now I'll program my uh, hex file. Now programming is successful. I'll simply remove this jumper and put it in a normal mode. Now it is showing the voltage as a 1.5 volt. So this preset was earlier I set accordingly. So now what I'll do is I'll vary this voltage by just changing this preset value, and you can see it increases the voltage. Now for this program, and I'll move to maximum value. Now the reference voltage is not taken from external, but I'm using internal reference voltage, that is 2.56. So that is the reason why it reached up to 2.556 and then it stopped. I'll we'll set it to, let's say, some 1.5 ohm. Now you can see this green color LED is blinking. So this is for TX. I mean, for debug purpose, when I was developing this, this transmit the status, like whatever you are seeing on LCD, it also transmit on serial port. So if you have a Teraterm, you can simply configure it for 9600 baud rate, and you will get these prints on even on serial ports. So even if you don't have a LCD, but you want to measure the voltage, then you can connect it to your PC, and you on Teraterm or any serial application you can view the print. So it continuously transmit. So that is why it is keep on blinking. Similarly, LCD is getting updated continuously. So now what I will do is will measure this voltage, input voltage, with a multimeter. Now I don't have a very good branded multimeter, but it will give a little idea that how, I mean, we cannot calibrate it using this multimeter, but we can check that whether that voltage is same or not. So I'll set to 2 volt. This is my favorite ground hook. Now port A.3, here. It shows 1.480, and now when I observe that when you connect a multimeter, this voltage start blinking. So it is around 1.487 and 1.5, and it is now 1.480. So I think we are pretty accurate. Okay then, thanks for watching.